Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'll show you a quick trick how to fix this. You can see how bad it is. I cut that one. I just used my cutoff wheel. Cut that out. You see right there. Clean it up. Inside, outside. Use some 80 grip. And I'm going to show you, just take a little sharp bite, pop it in there, and screw it in. And just like that, for like 25 bucks. I replaced my hose, no leaks. And the plumber wants over 240 bucks to fix that. Here's the old one. It's all corroded up. Can't twist this to shut it off or anything. So yeah, hopefully this video works. If you like, if this video helps out, smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, YouTube.